How to use your Brawnability wheelchair lift in a full-size van. Most important thing to do first is to hold the fold button. You want to make sure that the lift is all the way closed and folded up before you unfold. Next, you press and hold the unfold button until the lift is even with the interior floor. Next, you're going to hit the down button. While it lowers, if anything touches those yellow pads on the lift will stop working. Make sure the wheelchair and the passenger does not touch. Next, if the lift is not on perfectly flat ground, to open the flap, just tap the lift with your foot. Seatbelt and handles for wheelchair user safety. Once the wheelchair is on the lift and the power is turned off or the wheels are locked, you can hit the up button to raise the lift. Once the lift is even with the floor of the van, now you can get the wheelchair passenger into the vehicle and fold the wheelchair lift back up. Make sure to hold the fold button and that the lift is all the way secured.